TV wese nakwakira mu makuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity erizoba nebiro munana byo kwa kana 2026 kandi shana nibiri ezo mwebazi nyine Sunday brand ko ndikujira kwisiya hamakuraga bitureka tubanze tukusiyeho ebyijambo Agacencwire kireki Koti ya Makindye yasinka Christopher Kelo omukote nkuru natekatekwaho okwita abana bana omurigaba Kampala. Owomuruka yakwatwa habwe kuryangatanisa sente za parish development model omuri Bunyangabo.
Try investigating twatunga all these evidences.
Haro mukazi rukushabo byambo muri mutoma bwanyuma yiba okwenda kumubinga ombyo bugiga ebibakozere hamwe.
Kiza twageramo obutekerezanga nyo n'umushija wanje yashwera abandi bakazi.
N'umushuma.
Mbabazi Charity na Sunday. Mbabazi Charity na Sunday brand agana makuru Agacencwire mbwijire. Koti ya Makindye yasinka Christopher Kelo onyumo mukote nkuru okozesebwa ahamshango yo kwita abana abagaba early childhood development center mu Kampala.
Ebyo kwerinda byayongera omamani aha koti ya Makindye of Christopher Okero Onyum orukutekatekwaho kuba yisira abana bana aharigaba early childhood development center mu Kampala yabana aretwa kukoresebwa. Koti yabejwira hatunwa kandi bamumbanya makuru tubabasa kutahamu ahabo mwijurano orubajuru hababi rwebembirwe Jonathan Muwaganya bagambira omuramuzi okwo kuchondoza kwire kandi bijane empapura kurgo mu office yo muhababi wa government mukuru ezirukusini ko rukujunanwa omukote nkuru okutandika koresebwa.
Applied for and acquired a learner driving permit in Uganda which expired in the year 2023. On November 28, 2025, the accused applied for and was issued with a certificate of good conduct by the Directorate of Interpol and International Relations.
Omuramuzi yabuzo Okero yabebira kugamba omukote nabicenga kurungi kandi yagaruka mu byona nabyetegereza nko koti yabanetambura.
You're committed to High Court for trial at the next convenient High Court session. This is where you will take plea and you have a right to apply for bail.
Bumwa abujuruzi bwo rubajuru hababi harimo kugira ngo Okero akaceberwa abashaho ahirwaro rya IHK bashangatine buzubona umutwe.
Our instructions from the DPP commit the accused person for trial to the High Court.
Urabona rwayoreka ngo Okero kuza kwita abana aba akamaro bwire ari kucetebekanisiza yahikana hakupangisa pikikurga canja okumisyagaba ahi yakoriro bwina zobo.
And was able to explain the reason for killing the children as fortune hunting or enrichment. He however claimed to have history of past mental illness. Police investigations reveal that the accused travels in and out of Uganda at different times to different destinations. The accused last entry into Uganda in his passport number A8185935 was on 9 February 2026 by the scene of crime officer who generated the report. As such was conducted at the residence of the accused person at Katumba Village, Chanja Parish, Nakawa Division.
Abana bisirwe harmu Eteku Gideon, Kesh Agenworth Otim, Seruyanje Ignatius na Odeke Ryan. Twagamba nabamumbijo mukoti okuraterizo omushango ogu
okumbuliriza kukodde ku speed y'amaanyi nnyo era twebaza abanonyereza ngate olaba ntino bamukomitinze bamutwala ku High Court which is okay kubanga tunulira ku musango guno tekusobola tasobola kufuna niwabanga asabe ebbeeyi tasobola gifuna wano naye nga ekimuntu enyinsi kubanga saawa eno ekigambo kya bweyi twagala nakiwulirako kubanga tekisoboka kyo tekisoboka nolwekyo twagala High Court yo ekole speed y'amaanyi nnyo twagala ku hearing bidi zokazokaba mu meeting twagala public tuna court ekole kyanjawulo ekkirize abantu bekolere ku muntu waabwe so sibigamba mbuno ate bamutadde ku kalabba ne tutategeera kalabba kuwa ne twagala nti akalabba bamukometinze bamutagame kalabba bamuteeka wantu wetulabira tugambe nti ogwo mwakoze eki muvuddewo
tusaba gavumenti enoonyereze banya bamusindikira ssente zakozesa yafuna obudde obugenda ku maduuka n'agula ebisi byata abaana abo balina abazadde abaana ngenkola ki nomuzadde ne gavumenti wenasigala ngaetenoonyereza buli kaseera tugamba enoonyereza erimba bulimbi omusajja bajja kumuta
watu wafunge huko. Okay, there. Good.
Gasha kwa Anita Atkunda.
Babare Anita Atkunda. Omunyishenjero wa Bududa Agnes Nandutu kandi wabireho minisita w'enshonga za Karamoja yasinga omushango ogwo buri bwenguzi bwanyuma yo kuryangatanisa amabati garukwingana 20 obwo yasindwa omucomeruzira kandi naija kuhebwa ekibonerezo izoba ryo rwa katano esabiteji
kurikiriza emishango y'oburi bwenguzi muri Kampala yebembirwa muramuzi Jane Okuwo Kajuga erizoba yahaye enshara ya mushango gwo kwiba amabati agabire gariye gwo kwebwa abantu ba Karamoja aho ibyahendera omunyishenjero wa Bududa kandi wabiro minisita w'enshonga za Karamoja Agnes Nandutu gwa musinga kandi naija kuhebwa ekibonerezo rwa katano rw'esandeji omuramuzi yajyangu nekitangaza Nandutu okutwara amabati akabura no kureta obujurizi koreka hiyabe natamabati.
The recipient entered plainly as Honorable Agnes Nandutu. The date of issue, 23rd June 2022, and the issue voucher number 7840. It also shows that at the time of issuance, there were 30,033 iron sheets installed, which reduced to 28,033 after issuance.
Nandutu ni kigamo ngo akaryangatanisa amabati 20 agamuzarira karukosya enshara yo muhabuzi wa koti yashomwa sara n'amaweje kandi yajyango kurigera abujurizi orubajoro hababirwe no bujurizo burukumara Nandutu akatwara amabati.
She confirms that she was allotted 2,000 iron sheets by Minister Tutu and Osborne confirmed the same when she called him. She also confirmed sending her assistant to collect them.
Omugambirizo wa ofisi yo muhabe mukuru najyango buno businguza abantu ba Karamoja kandi bino kushemerwa bwo kushara mu kwa koti.
She was directed to ask for Osborne. A few days later, she organized for a truck registration number UAZ 3473 and collected the 2,000 iron sheets as instructed. PW1 also testified that she took the iron sheets to her garage and kept them there until they were collected from John Matenga, who is the accused's farm manager. And it was the accused who had directed that they be taken to her farm in Victoria. The prosecution has proved all the elements of the offense to the required standard. The assessors advised me to convict the accused.
Ndi Anita Atkunda.
Babere Anita Atkunda. District ya Bunyangabu RDC yaragira okukwatwa kwegombora ya buguzi omuri Kisomoro ahabo kutekatekwaho okuryangatanisa sente za parish development model.
Ahayisibwe kandi nagamba kuba yahandikise namba yesumu yo warukuzarwa nawe okwenda sente za parish development model abenwe yazacira arukurabira mu mwene nyina. Enshongeji yamanywa bwa nyuma y'abatura koreko butashemererwa no muringo gwehuru ya PDM eri kugendamo omumarika gwa Kisomoro omuri Bunyangabu.
Lastly bona mu batwaye na kigambira DPC as the one at the top. I supervise this PDM as someone from the office of the president, and this money is coming from the presidency. But I have no power to direct to pay someone like you brought up. amaani ago tingaine obushoborozi obwo tingwine nyowe sente za gavumenti nziteire aha police find out which is the right route where that money should go.
Ogu yakwatirwa mu rukiko rwatebekanisiibwa RDC wa Bunyanga Bukamukama Nicholas kandi rwahikwa mu polisi abebembezi ba district n'abatura
investigatinga twatunga all these evidences, and of course I am not the one that did this. I worked with the relevant teams, like you saw the DPC, you saw my deputies, you saw the CID. So we were able to gather all this information as a team.
Abanda bakwatwa hari umukuru wa Buguzi PDM Sako Happy Wilson, Omubich Ariganyira Joseph n'umuhandiki Gumiseriza Edward.
As you can see, omwishitwamu arrestinga na board. Recently we have a directive by the President of the Republic of Uganda that boards can be trashed. And we create new boards. Twabashaba batunje another board. We will go to the community. We do community sensitization. We ask them to develop another board, and in that manner, we will stop the vice.
Bwanyuma y'abebembeza abakutunga kwetombwita ku rugo mu bantu bakatandika kugicondozaho nuko kushangango n'amazima dori nakatwara sentezi
mu mukamwaruzi beneficial wazo
The investigations are ongoing. The DPC and CID have taken over the files. We shall wait to see what the investigations, how the investigations will end, what the DPP will say, whether they will be charged in court. We wait to see what happens. But as the office of COW, we are very committed to fight corruption in PDM without fear or favor.
District ya Bunyanga buyahereze kugaba biliyoni 17 ezitirwa mu bantu bari n'umutwaro gumwe nakashanju. Gasha kwa Jonan Tusingwire.
Webere Jonan Tusingwire. Ane tuhirirwe ho myaka 5 mutura wa Kanjiga ho mugombora ya Ijumo mu district ya Mtoma. Ayetombwitiriba habo kwenda kumubinga ho mbinte bakozere hamwe bwanyuma yo kumara imyaka 35 ho mbushwere. Susan Charsima aineberukiraho.
Bwanyuma y'amakuraga kutugumatu tubitire mu nketo mpaka mu Kanjiga mugombora y'Ijumo mu district ya Mtoma yutushangire ane tuhirirwe nikwe kututebezo kwiba Steven Mbemanya arakwenda kumubinga mbintu evo bakozere hamwe mbushwere.
Konka yizere umwaka w'2016 kiza twageramo ubutekerezangana nyo n'umushije wanje yashwera abandi bakazi tukaba tuyine binde banza yabiguza amanabiguza nashwera abakazi n'abagenda nabiguza nashwera abakazi n'abagenda umwaka w'2016 yarimwa na kwera abana school fees
okorjera har aneti ibatireho emiringo yona kumubinga konka kiremerwe ahabo kuba tari kurabira mu mateka
atwayagiro kwe yazokwe umuryango gugwa bigura Mutoma yakakanago yaguguza yaguma muri Mutoma hatiki yarebere ebintu byamusoboye yarebe ito twaguma tukora yayena ngo ayize abagane na naha reto ndizo mukazi amuteka nayanga najara ngo to kureta ndizo mukazi okamuteka ombintu byanje ebinkozere akuba twino chubanze kindi twino ho tocherwonka ece kibanza tikikire nangwa nebisa ibi nikachumwine chwekane imwe nikachumwe
nagira ngo hataye no kutina ngo hatakagire kibe cyamushikaho ahawe butekereza nobo
ize yateme chukwizo yacherezo mukazi weye nanye nkabantu arire mpuno zanje ebyo kuryo mukasezi kazirire kwe kuna mushangire ho yambuza yangira ngwiwe uno manya uninyiza kwita aha karo abakazi bekibina bakaba bakandikiko mukasheshe hati nyoti mufo ayiza no muhora kugunyore cyato muhora kuyagutire gwankwata
Anete nagira ngo habwe nshongezi haro habina zabahereze kumutahera ba mwaka sente zona kandi basiga bamuteme ngaro ecyari kugira ngo kimonjiro kutina
ubwo msizo abana bansimbira basigaza babiri barukumbuza ngwiwe ekibanza cya Steven nofa kinacho ntutwiza kwita taroku ebyo byo kugira erizobo ryo kufa rugo mu kibanza cya Steven otaho wanyu tari hitaka ogendo taho wanyu urugo mu kibanza cya Steven nutekwa kwita nabesengereza hino ndizo musiza bakaba babiri akaba ryaho atoriyo mushija giroriyo wabire wakanaza ko akantanaho museno kareba kakastari angera mugira ntumwana wanje nakoze ati ni ukanzara ntikareka nkwereza sente kunkutanye tankiza amagara ganje
bwanyuma y'enshongezi kumwehinguririza Aneta kirukangira ha polisi konka nagira ngo utaruho cango ecyo bamuhwerire
ikanka polisi ukasanga nko gucuduma owabakazi tukiranga abakazi usanga nore tuzuzaza ko mukazi nayanga kugakira ate nana nangutuzenga kaniyo polisi kaniyo kamajyanga polisi ekuyambe ni ogiyambe ko torari kangira polisi banga futasiye bintu bitkuruhurira polisi yametoma seba Mr DPC akankora kubi mwena akankora kubi honda nbakwata umuntu ntemere nyeweze kumutuzuru wese tuzuru kwasuze wese yezeze hono umuntu nazo no kurasa RPC wabushinga gogo mshiza ine isuza zeka mutuyamba bitongore mutuyambe
abatura nabo nyabuzareba Aneti nabo haruhe batugambire
inshonga zezi zirohono zibahono zireto buremezi okuteka kwa nyowe nindeba ngo enshonga ezi nizirga omuhonda netiro mu family nyowe nukwenda kuteka ahabo kuba eitwe bwa nyuma y'emuhonda no yabiremu tukayitana ka family twashitama twaganira na family egi tumurundu gumwe twakoresa aba family twahingura twakoresa abaheru twakoresa chachi twakoresa friends bekeji abanywana mbwene konka inshonga zarebeka zitarakwenda ko
hato numurahashira kwisha kuza kumwita abo ko nyumburuzeho n'ubwana ntkonkimwe mukamure bogo wabayina babashija babiri ngo nuswe nkuru ngo akazwire jacket ngo akatukurura ngo yaje ngumije mutaho umunzu batabita mbishati statement nk'ecyo kukujura y'abana kandi obwe nangwa nyondo kubabuza nkaba nizo ko rwo mu rutoke kutemura hati nyene nkuru bakarinka yo mwirwaro hati nanyenda baho kureba mu munywani wanje ntukashukuku ngo bamutwiro mwirwaro ntumwe shimwe byenzere batabana nuko kungambira gushwe kuri to kuba abashija babiro kuba mukwase ngo yaje atumuje mutaho umunzu rimo batamwita ntimwe shwe nkuru murebere ngo abazuye jake tumurebere
Steven Mbimanya oho barukwetombuitira tugambire nawe hanshongeze uri kumugambaho kandi ebe ne byatutebeze
n'umushuma kandi umushuma to kumumanya hatubona izayibeki nchakara hotoke nari ayibeki nchakara hotamura kwitera kubana abitware byone umuntu yumpendera y'umushuma
Nyamara wawe no kugira ngo kijana batemu mwagumana odumera kachao
ikasika nchecho ngo bakahurira kabote barande ibiri ukangu bakahurira karinye nikana bajya mutema maraka kamtate mamaraka ati nkicho nuke cyo kureberaho kare hababere fire yo kubanza orwo kubanza ngo nkamutema ati fire ya kabiri yesaga miziro munda bwinka mutemanka yakoreka nto hanga yatemera
ingaro ingaruka niye yanyereka nano ho
umugongo naye hakoreka yazura mureba
yaje kushitira
n'umushuma nawe gambira ngo bakamukwata indite erore yo ati umuntu urwirga akazo wa Museveni akibente kashinyu urya.
That one I'm aware of. I don't know which case exactly because in the last 2-3 months, he and the husband have been reporting cases accusing each other here.
Yeah.
So I don't know which case exactly, but I know we have cases here. Others are court ongoing. Others are under investigation. Others are reported by the husband against her, the former husband anyway, because I'm told they divorced. And then others are reported by her.
Iza yurkanga ya za koti ya jatana akora divorce. kuba mburze ni wote vose ngani manto mshire wanje naiza kutoka nyona yanga najanta nyo mshire wanje ni nchumukunda naza kusyobye nagera ata nahutoka
wowe hata anete nashabe bitongore ebirokora hanshonga z'amaka okumuhwera gasha kwa Susan Charles
webare Susan Charles mareka tumero ntugaruka nagarukurata
rukurataho nagakushyibwaho
Movit All Day Toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
agarukurataho wabireho Minister w'inshonga za Karamoja Agnes Nandutu yasensibwa omshango ogobshomankuzi
agarukurataho gabanaga kushyibwaho
Movit All Day Toothpaste meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Manager, ogito wagito. Ko kama tumuchidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wearinge byoma tugumiseze shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara keke ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara keke tukazakunywa mbogo nawo pensiyo na nesente konga tanyuire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kana abamurungi ayibambe nikorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
Urenje rizoba inko ekitongole kirukore byome bihangaze ebyomurembe mbaba mu rurembo rwambarara nebyoma nka demolition breakers ezikushenya concrete nebishenje enkito za safety rain boots face masks nemyenda yo kujwara ha sites reba cutting discs za metal diamond na wood otebirwe sanders emisumeno routers grinders hari inko ebyoma byo kushusha mbuga ebyamanda nebyamajuta ebyo kushara bimuri ebijuma hamwe na za fence nebyo kutimba ibina by'ebikondo ha uwa washing bay reba ka pressure washer akamashanyarazi akamanda hamwe nayo kodesa amajuta generators ziriho buruho nebindi binji byoma aha sentenche ahaduka yitumbarara high street ahashungire na highway restaurant isimu nutse mushanju munana note anana mushanju aruna mukaga nshanju na mushanju
ebyo kwomeka byongera koroba kankwanjulire ankole crazy limited abara kubumbira byo kombekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi binji kandi byo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumoli buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakoza technology rispiria echo nabyombecyesi cyangale nka bendera ya Uganda bashangali mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 cyenda na mukaga ankole crazy limited tugende twombeke
ikintu cyo kunywa aza mwana bategerize ubundi
konka mwami mazumorya hano bariyo bategereza mu mbagano mangwe shazakiri wansuko mu motoka iriyo nenyusi yo ngwija hakunywa
mucyara unam utatinda ndenda ngubije bakuroze hakunandanywa uriye cyatuma naguma hano joka mufundurira kahurire
Kamwana tera chairman wembaga atongeze binako kishahemu ito twe tuyon tuno diplomat akatuka kanusira hanga wanje
ukanyiha ambi mucyara n'abagine diplomat ebindi byayenda bireje bigende n'abagine n'intere ekorwa ba diplomat habo America Limited ekoze ko mu mugusha intangawuzi inanasi ukochi ihamigwa ba UNPS.
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena nguni tukinda abantu binji abashija n'abakazi abojo nabishiki emyaka 21 okwisari 85 okwerache icyenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service, airport security, aviation stewards, check-in agents, landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Hayes Recruitment niyo company esingira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo eyobujunanizibwa omwaka oguterize okwehandikisa no kwabusha free registration amataji gitu gona esimu not mushanju ina not emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga neinga not mushanju ina itano
Echiro chisisire chireche Rose from Nempaka Sheshekaronji Para see a rose spring, a rose farm. Ejini big Tokuro busas mukasheshi nikukuma sajingo muchirochuna.
Wera renko mwerere n'ubufaratsi bw'umutendo kandi nuguhanga umugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecho rwenda Rose Farm insiyebero tobironje.
Kuruka mukahumura mukuru wihanga kandi chairman w'ekibina cha NRM Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yiguraho hombutongore okweherera kw'abanyeshenjero ba NRM abahirize kutoranwa kandi yabashaba okwehara ebyobutegeki ebirukubaganisamo abantu okweherera okukuriyo nukuhindura omuri kyankwanzi kandi kukatandika ahakutandika kwesandeji.
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ahari kyankwanzi yakawusha hamnana zihangwe kandi yakirwa abebembezi abarukushitama hakachiko ka Central Executive Committee omukibina cha NRM omukuganira nabo President Museveni yagambira abanyishengero ba NRM ngo ebyobutegeki ebirukubaganisamo abantu bishenyire kandi byarabanisamo amahanga gatari gamwe na gamwe aba bari ahari National Leadership Training Institute omuri kyankwanzi kweherera no kuganira ahanshonga za manifesto y'ekibina no kubarasho
looking at us like ants, as if we are ants. So, the issue of strategic security, that is historical mission number 3. Number 2. Number 3, guarding our heritage. The African heritage is very, very strong. That's how we were able to survive slave trade. Because we are very strong people, genetically. And our culture is very strong. You don't marry within your clan, you marry outside the clan. So the genes are very strong. The foods we eat. Me, I eat African foods. I've not eaten rice since I came back from Tanzania, 1979. I have my food.
Tulina okulaga ekifaananyi ekipya eri abalonzi. Bino bye mulowooza nti abantu bwe babanga bavuganya kitegeeza nti oli abeera mulabe wa munne. Ekyo si kituufu.
Gira ebintu bingi munonga kandi nyamurungi tufunira abanywani abantu abitubenturebera hanga hari twatunga chance yo kubirira hihi tushomesibwe ebintu bingi munonga konke kinkwasireho nko mwebembezi president yagamba munonga ahashonga ya corruption manisha ababebembezi batahi banje mureke tukwatanisize hamwe turwanise buri bwenguzi
birimo tweta cohesion inclusivity na buri kimwe cyane mu kushanga ngo tukorera hamwe rizoba speaker parliament yaturaberamo oku ebiragiro birukorwa imirimo ya parliament erimo okurebe embarira erimo kurebiragiro hamwe na no kureba esente ezetireyo abantu mwazi kozesa bazikozise bata
abiyaherezaho umugisha okugira icyo bagamba yabahurikiriza kandi yabagarukamo mwe no murangaguruho kugira ngo ekinde ekiyagamba aho President Museveni cyo gutekateka ngo abanya-Uganda twena tutekeho esira ninga turebe nahaca aha ideology ya NRM ningashi omutima gwa NRM habo kuba abantu bayimusya issues zo kugira ngo bakaze mu karuru kubagira mu karuru ababire bari aba NRM benyini babantu bo babaranze
abantu bija ku maresande yo no muri Cankwanzi okuganira hanshonga zentunguka y'ikibina cya NRM gasha kwa Susan Charles
abashubuza barukora imihanda n'abarukushobora mu myanya tarakwishirizwa municipality ya Kabare berasirire bwanyuma yo bwire obahirwe okwayo
Echandiko cyashohozi wabebembezi ba Kabare municipality bakaba babahire kusyebera 2008 kwa kashuto 2026 kandi bihuireyo ekiresereho kutino mbashubuzi abarukora amahanda aho baratore
ngenda kufite ko mukatara tukine bantu tukabonize tukine toilete zintubere so kwa abantu twashaba bajyana bakongeza yo bwire babwire ko bakomeza mu weekend watu wikemwe bire ngombwa kwahura RDC nerege yabariho yagira nti ndebiri 15 tunabasha kubaho urukiko zone tusubira kukweta tukareba baba barato umwanya gutwasanika kuganyirwamo amwe hajya abantu turakoreramo titwina wiki ningashe cyo abadino wiki tukagaruka yo kugira ngo turi kuza kubuza batataho kugira ngo tombeke ningashaho kugira ngo tuhinge hago kuba bari kutujya tugaruke mu gihe tuze kuhinga twinaho gusa ejo turapangisa amaju kandi tukajya na sente za parish modo bamazire bagira ngo baraza kubara abagira batweka batubakagandiraho kuzango byo batungize biro bazahita banze yarugamo
nabashaba bushoborozi okubarondera umwanya aho baraze korora baheza kubingwa hanguto
tiyine mwanya kubasa kuzamo ngo bajire basitame muje baterere ngana tishenda ngo barondera gundi mwanya babatemo bakore nabandi
na hakitinga amazigisha mweno kunaza kumyaza babikihawo aho ndakorera ibaza kunto mu kiyomo ekinyowe nobire ndashaba abantu ba kanso na government ya Museveni muzeyi witu no kugira ngo baturondera mwanya enti okugira ngo kubarahe bari kugira bari kutubinga muhanda baturonderaho kuza kandi hari aho kugira ngo bari safe kugira ngo umuntu yabari kurugayo abashuma batamutanga muhanda bwo kuba abashuma barenda kukanya
Eric Sande uriyo muhezi wa town clerk wa Kabare municipality yashaba bashubuza aba okurwo myanyeji agumize ngo entebe kanisa za government nizija kugumizamo
chance kugira ngo beterekanise urubasa furuke kugira ngo ibintu bye bitakashishika abamwe turenda kubato mu butare kabari kuguze byo kurya abari kuguze imyenda tuyine imyanya yo kubatamo
one yabashaba kuzo mu butare okuba niyo bakorera
tuyine mu butare akabundi n'agatara ka mwanjari hamwe na Women Market ubwo butare bwena buriho abantu bitu tukabaganira kare kugira ngo baze kwate imyanya baze kushuburiza umukatare
omugandi abebembezi ba Rubirizi Town Council barabara abashubuzi abarukora nguto okurugaho abebembezi batakizire
bita bingi nabo abakora uburozi umuntu hari aba kiosks za mobile money abinyo kiosks nyingashi emedare kutika chapati emedara ekuguza produce
ekinkureba ekiragiye kubaho gavumenti yagumizamu n'iteka ryayo kubinga abashobozi omutawu n'amahanda cyo kubanza obusuma baza kwenje mu cyekeje obusambane bwakoyenje mu cyekeje abo kuba abisha bingi usanga ande basisi buri mwe baguza chips umwazo basika mu chomo basika asanga buri bakabira kusisa mu byo busambane hatari bize
emtawono mu mazemenya kazayansi ya makunyasa ko yanto ninka nakani vuga ni korachi tungamwe na hate musange mu myaka zansanzo nawo ninza kumaraho
bamwe mbashobozo n'abajangurubiriza town council inoboremezi bwenji obushemeriro kutandikirwaho beit kutarukurugisa abarukuguruza amahanda
ati banzogere kasesuro gija ito kasesurito bakora nito tukujeyera akatarenka kora rwakasatu twiza tuyera suba tujurundara akusata bakwiza basuba biza babigaraho twiza suba tuyera njijone yowe kanojerebe tibakajwe ati baburezere kuyora kasesuro ito abantu nito tufochere kasesuro
diseka twirize time na twebutwe shortinga ya directive ese goine ka time frame ya 6 months umuntu chonka braptire business niyonje ato yemu capital kombe ka store ndizo nchiba chiri ncha affecting development ya mani
ona bebembeze no bagira ngo abarabingwe baronda aho baraze korra ahabo kubatibine mwanya go kubatamo
icyo tukakitereje konka subsequently tuza kukitereje batazipana ntubanza kukiriya nyatawe then abebembezi abatabona kansu ngo kansara n'abandi bicukwataho no kwikirezana abashubuzi abamwe ayo barate umungero eteyiri kandi yoteka
gasha kwa Nelson ahemswe na Onesimus nabo
bari abashatsi bitu bamakuru abantu bari kurenga igana kaga batonjero bwezi bw'harani hebyo gukoreza mu Burundi omubwinji no buri so muri gara East mu district ya Bushenyi obwezo bubire burumo bubire burumu ebomba zo kufuhira ensugo zo kubyara FK Mbabazi yo kufuhira omwata nebindi
ubuhwezo buhirwe y'umunyishengero wigara East Michael Mawanda kandi abatungire baharani babire no babaheraho imyenda yo kutandikiraho ehuzi na za spare parts zabyo
utambi yamboha yambiwe ati mukitwale kintu kino okirinde nkeki yawo kikume nkaki abukuba beira wo atkwirize ngo kikoyeso ihemu akasende remember akabina Frazier kanegama ngo nayetaga bahereze mutunge ntasha mutunge sende ngo arija garuka sate 1 akanayetaga ngo asange mwini bondo nkole publicity wainare muno muijuka umuseje wa kalmuhangu
akutangaza noza kubwana umuntu ari kwisi butsi naronda mukashanjo kano baskweza ngo zafamoze kwinga utatunye bicorinze kubitaye ebichori gendo bisimbiro mu rubaju rwa compound ya korotini itaka kungati isoje cyo watekamo otemwe bichoro bano 200 oyemwe bichore mitware 2
abatwire ibintu bashabirwa kwerwanira ihari bakarugomboro no kutungura makagabo
gende batuhereza tubikoze se ebombe jo negure sente nyingi cyo turya abahingi kungano ujya kushanga umuntu ariyo mu town kitwe nashaba mwo mutwaro takurinda na kurenga nambwe ni hino wasiga yagambira abantu atogumozi no musha nabamwe numuza kuzuguza mutakashikire
atabahereze bintebi mukabukoresa kubi nchakaruka shanga between results mwachitenga mbwenu kure watwara ebyo buhingi kora ahinge nchakaribo ine hemisharuru
abatungira ubuhwezo ubu basimira umunyishengero wabo ahabwo kubijuka
ni sima Michael Mawanda okutuhereza ebyo buhingi akatuhe embubo akatuha ebyo kukozesa tukore tutunge ebyo kusharurwa tuyeme sente
okurugerizo babantu bange tibarigaruka kugerizo babantu bange tibarigaruka kugire nakwa hamutima byaguma bina mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecyakatoki mugume munywecho katoki no bunuzi bwayo katoki kerya hamutindo katoki ine chama chayo muhute katoki yerya hamutindo Katochi alcoholic drink enuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho.
When you don't use Momo, you get insulted by strangers. Save yourself from insults. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5K. That's the power of Momo.
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Tamasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Wali katoli kundongozi na nanywedde kano kaalo vera chawuda drink kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kakindi kakyebule mutolo okolola okotyonguka kwata kano muzeyi kano bakayita batya pineapple soda drink kakamuddwa mu nanansi bojo mutolo va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe kakiga bangambye omubiri munafunafu kakiga talina maanyi kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi ye naye nenfuna ow'amaanyi utammira ku soda drink n'abawala nabo banywa obutamu
Gabunu banka yanje mukizemwe emyaka 3 kurya moroni kamazani ya moroni natandika kusubura zabu umuzabu omwe kinihire musente natembura hortoche iza nagarkani ya yoroni ya kabiri ni ya miliyoni 8 naguramu embuzi atu ondu gambira ni mpsia embuzi ngamakomyana kana nagarka nakora nagarka naguramu nyine pichinkina
igarabu weju tifa masako igabu eiziro kwera omukutungwire ntasiya yawe chanje butare chamuhunga bushenyi district ningo matajigitaga buheju na kanunka branches omuri buheju district na kagarama branch omuri kagarama town council ntungamo district tera not mushanju munana mukaga not 13 not 2 reke chiroto cy'umwana wawe okukora umbyenyonyi chikirire Uganda Aviation Academy neta applications ahabwa May 2026 intake Mishomeji, flight operations and dispatch, airline cabin crew, airport operations, airline customer services, foundation in travel and tourism, cargo introductory courses, aviation security awareness, IATA, GD's fares and ticketing, aviation management, quality security awareness, safety management, travel and tourism consultant, teaching and instructional techniques. Tuamibwe, IATA na UCAA. Tunga application form ari Kampala office, ari Metropole House, 6th floor, Entebbe Road, ninga tera notisha tumwendisha tu 10 nkaga na mkaga 2 ninga jihe our website ugandaaviationacademy.com.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies nka national diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science n'english IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi mingi. Amashomaga gona nagabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu rukunjiri kandi okwehandikisa nukugendo misho. Tera enamba zesimu 0772 9 0
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti
ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire ekyo shuwa.
Kansinage bampakingire saa.
Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
When you don't use Momo, you are forced to quarrel.
Mama kabalansi? Nkuwaire 15 Mama, nkuwaire 15.
Ompaire 15.
Abantu abakulu mwatandisa obuyayo mwena.
Obuyayo obuliga.
Iwe.
Ngobi yanko
aba mu bibozi sente dange ninzade kolera ngobi nakolera sente dange.
Save yourself from quarreling. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
There's a new way to keep your breath fresh all day. Introducing Movit All Day Toothpaste, meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal. And the herbal delivers natural strength for healthy, confident smiles. Choose Movit All Day Toothpaste and enjoy freshness all day.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Wherever you are, whatever your reason, it's on SuperSport all season long. Get and stay connected to DSTV Compact and GoTV Super Plus with Kawiki available on DSTV and GoTV.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Here's how you chase that gray away. You're a hot air balloon that can go to space. With the air like you don't care, baby, by the way.
University of St. Joseph aho murembo rwambara herizoba batandika urugendo rwo kuronda barhaninga shete chata yo kubikirizo gukora n'ubushoborozi wona herizoba haba National Council for Higher Education batandika okubashujuma okureba yaba bashemerire chate yibarkwenda
Grace Abakuru 12 kurwo mu National Council for Education bija ku marebero bishatu barikushizuma emikorere ya university n'enshoma yabeji.
This opportunity to welcome you National Council for Education to USJM. Today is a momentous day when we receive you at JSM.
Abarkwebembera university nibagira ngo betebekanise okureba ngo university age yatunga chata.
Together we are building an institution poised for greatness. Distinguished team, as you conclude your assessment, I humbly request for your favorable recommendation for the granting of our charter based on our readiness. Grant us this charter, and together we will propel Uganda's higher education forward, nurturing generations of leaders who serve with integrity and excellence.
We have developed academic programs and courses that are relevant to the labor market and are accredited by National Council for Education. We have attracted qualified and experienced academic and non-teaching staff.
Aba National Council for Education bagira ikiganiro n'abebemizi ba University AG. Ekiganiro eki cyayikwamo abandi band omura abanyamyoga ku rwo university zindi
n'agandi amatendekero. University of St. Joseph Mbarara bamara emyaka 8 omubuhereza barukushomesa amashomo gatari gamwe na gamwe. Oltayayo rwaba National Council for Education kubaraheze oltayayo rwabo a University of St. Joseph Mbarara banyimebero bishatu nibija kora reporta erije kwanjurwa mbichkwasireho omuna mukuru w'ihanga oyo n'ubushobozi bukachata.
National Council for Higher Education. So that's briefly the overview of our visit. I want to take this opportunity to thank you very much for welcoming us. I know what it takes to organize for a visitation of this magnitude.
Itwe nkaba ruku kwebembera university itwe nitwereza amani ukureba ngo university n'amazima yakura abukubiri yo nekora kuruga umwaka gw'2018 obwetandika no kwikana na hati nchimanyisa ngo twaza harurengo rundi amashomo gaza kweyongera ebituru gukora byatunga ukumanyisibwa narishi okutongozibwa.
Our TV West ndisenyomo Gideon ahumrimbar.
Uberesenyomo Gideon district ya Kabarore izoba rya nyomwebazyo etantire kutendeka bashaho bahameruka abamanyirwenka community health extension workers chete choose nechigenderwa echo kugumya ebyamagaro mbyaro obwe barukutandikira ahamuruka.
Okutendekwa oku nikuza kumara emyezi 6 kandi abantu abarukwinganigana bana nibo bariyo nibatendekwa kandi burumuruka gwina abantu babiri abariyo nibatendekwa. Abakuru nibagira ngo eki kigenderire kutungura ebyamagara n'obuhereza bwabyo obwe barukutekaho abakugu abarakore n'abashaho bo mu byaro bete ba VHTs okushikiriza obuhereza bw'ebyamagara omu bantu.
Kandi omusomo guno obarugumara kujuye kwa rundi bakweta kujuye kwa wabo nkija korwa ekitongole cy'obumezi kandi ntubantumanya ngo abakoto rundi abakuru rundi nka Minister of Health PS nibasobora kwija okubara byaho nabebembezi bona abo mu district.
Rwabuhinga Richard orumukuru w'entebe ya katana habwa district ya Kabarore nagira ngo abana baza kwera omukuratereza bakazi benda okureba ngo bagumana batungo obuhereza bwa antenento n'abarwira binaka koko ka sirimu okureba ngo batunge embazi yabo omubwire
chukuru kwetegereza community health workers barukugaruka mbigerebo ya village health teams VHTs nibayica gumaye nibakora umulimo gwabo gwatahana bakora chonka bano nibayica kwa nubongeza hamani muno kurore ibyo bwomezi byagenda maisho kurungi ibyo gwecome byagenda maisho kurungi aborera bayitwa abo munywere rero batunye mbazi yabo mu bwire bwonyine abakazi abanyakwinenda bakunera kuzara nabo bagenda mu marwaro mu bwire bakebezenda zabo kandi babasobozese kurora bagenda kutunga kuzara mu marwaro barolero umuzalisa naba bakugwa abasomere ubwire bwonyine uko tusobole kuyatantara bongera kuferwa abakazi abajya kwinenda abakazi abarukuzara nenkerembe ezakazara.
Catherine Kemigabo orukora nkomwegesa webyamagara ahabwa district niyemwe nagira ngo abatu barakubakoreso kwiha abashaho mbyaro bitungu nibija kubana babahweraho
ba VHT bacyari kikuru muno kandi embaganize nyakuroho ngo bano ba community health extension workers beija kwa bale hamuruka kandi village health team beija kubala hacyaro nabwo cyo abantu bano beija kwa bakora hamu muno VHT neija kuba nakwataniza nacu okurora nibatunga report okurana bamanya amakuru agakufa mu byaro kandi bakasobora kutumanyisa no koragana na amarwaro aganya kuri mbikalebi
government kulengaho kusomesa abantu babulikiro community level ubegesa abantu ubuyonjo ebintu by'obumezi nebo tutunga abantu abarikwetegereza obumezi bwabo kandi balenge okulwanisa oburwaire
arikwiguraho mushomogu omuhwezi wa RDC wa district age Frank Asaba ashabira barimu batendwa okugera emico emirungi kandi ngo batwara obujonanizo bwa oburabahebwe n'omutuma gumwe
yamaso ngo because bagenzi bita ba VHTs have village level but have an issues kurango twabayamba tutanka government so buno ngo mugisa kurango ba VHTs bayitumbaje ko ba reportinga abagenzi bayiza bacu kurango every report ko bayine mbagireta abantu bayitu bano aba members abacu
gasha kwa Jonan Tusingwire.
Wanyuma ya government okutongozaho enshomesa ya competence based curriculum mu mashomero ga senior hati bakuru b'amashomero gamwe nabashaba ngo encourage hetebweho mu mashomero ga primary twere okubangura beje bashirbato ekibaretere omutindo gw'ebyobwegese kukura mu ihanga okushaba okwirweyo baba Bon Conseil Girls Secondary School kurwo muri Sinjiro bayibere bari hamkoro ogokwereka talanta z'ebintu ebyo beje barukushoma okurabira mu nshomeje.
Aha mukoro gw'abeje babiri bakora barukushoma okurabira mu nshomenske ya new curriculum ebirimo kuzana emizano ya za katemba okugambira ha mikoro ningashi public speaking okuzana hamwe no kweshongora okuhayanura kurinda ebyo buhangwa okurwana robugabe bw'abantu hamwe n'ebindi bingi. Abantu bagirangwa beji bine chango ekibariyo nibaganyirwamo ombekwaterine no kujombora no kwego kukozesa emikono yabo kubasa kwebisaho ombero byo misho wagerageranisa n'ibyo kushoma okutwireho
izoberi twidemo emikoro iyo kutongoza abana kuba banise umuhuranka Miss Uganda Miss Tourism so twenzire ngo icyo kintu tufite mu isomero ryitu kuyamba abana bitu kugira kuba kubasa kwebisaho nk'emyeto na munonga baba rugiro mu rwego rw'umwanya nkankabeji bahika hero kamuza university zinanahi bakuba barihona babasa kwebisaho na munongo mu bikwatirine na nenyikiriza abo kwatenda kutora na Miss Pay nziza kutora na Miss Boni Council Miss Environment Miss Tourism norangwe n'ebintu by'abantu bakubasa gukorana baba rugiro mu ishomero mu
Tusime Sister Gertrude Tusime oryo muhwezi wa mukuru w'ishomero rya Bone Council Girls Secondary School erukushangwa mu district y'Isinjiro nashaba government okutokushomesa kwa new curriculum okutandikira mu primary kandi ngo yongere n'ebikozesebwa omuri za senior hati aho encourage ya new curriculum yatandikire kushomesebwa
kinka ministry no kutuyambamo cyo kubanza facilities zo kukozesa zikumara hati nko mashomera gamwe ka private schools kale ka government schools they normally give them computers and some other equipment to use konka tinki kama shomera gamwe dangwa ni Boni Council dangu tuku basa kwa tin very enough computers. Yes, we have those ones that can cater the students we have konka ni dangu abana bashomera kutandika kuruga hansi na munonga na no primary abana babekise computer kugira ngo bakwita mu secondary bukano language is the way to go.
Abeja butugambireho nabo batushoborire ngo hine chango enshomeseji okwehindwire entekateka yabo
ati kino kituyambye nti old curriculum bali babestinga ku bintu bya mu class naye kino kituyamba nti ffe kati tukozesa environment netuyamba konti bwetinafuluma ebweru omuntu bwaba kati akozenga creative way okuva mu buveera asobola okumanya nti bwentuuka ebweru nsobola okutandika project yo collecting obuveera nembutunda oba nemburecyclinga nenfunamu sente
ameje yitwensya eyibatireho bwa hati curriculum neetaaga omwana kugira obwenge bw'okuteekateeka munonga akateekateekera hare kandi akagira eki yakubaza kwekorera omu magara g'ensi egi nk'okureebera abamwe nitutuura omu ntookye twetoorirwe entookye abamwe tureba endeere tukureba nguuto tukureba emyenda tebaasa kutwegyesa kubaasa kukwata orurere nk'orwe ekirere nk'ekyo okakoramu omwena okabaasa kubaho nk'omwana w'omwishiki
nk'okumukunda ewanjwire y'omwana wa new curriculum ebinjire byona ideas nzibira mu new curriculum egi tunka abaana tugyesimire munonga kuba tuinire munonga omuteekateeko omukore n'obutwakushobora ishomero tutakiine emirimo nitubaasa kweyamba nk'okumukunda ekyo ekijwaro niye nakyekorera nimpura nshemereirwe kuba naanye nashobora heeru nkakikora ndijo ntakikozesa
ndi Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West omuri Singiro.
Omakuru g'ebyemizano timu y'omupiira gw'abakazi ey'ekkanisa ya Busibo erukushangwa omushema municipality niyesingire empaka z'omupiira gw'abakazi ez'oburiisa bwa Busibo ahetire ya Rwigaga ahagori 2 aharubusha.
Timu ezirukwingana 50 z'amashomero ga seni yahabwa ekyanga kya Ankore nizo zayirondanira mu district y'Ibanda okuhayanira omupiira gw'ebigero gw'abishiki. Bwa nyuma yo kuhika muri Ibanda no kushwijumwa zomwe ziguraho emizano yo kubanza ya za group aho timu ya Bone Council Girls Secondary School abaryo mu group yo kubanza kandi abine ekikopo basinga batayayisa aba Pizza Spire na gori 5-0. Omizane ndije zanwa kazo yasinga Bugarama na Yibanda goro 6-0 kandi emizane ejene ijagumizamo okuzanwa izobe rya nyenchakare ahabishayi 8 muri Ibanda.
It has not been easy, but the girls have tried their best to take a lead.
Tuzana participating aha rengo rwa region konka amani na minji tugine omizane ya volleyball abo kwatugira national zemirundi 2 actually shot na nabishi emirundi 2 football boys to representing Ibanda ha region konka kandi betaka funde kagisha kugira ngo twaza nationals
generally kugira ngo umpira kubanza withimiye tari yenyini ko twatekateka konka abana bazana andi nomanya umpira kubanza ngo gutanguye konka tumanya ngo second match abana bakwimprove ngo munonga
kunareba umpira gwabishyogo nareba habiri mpituka yamana munonga na munonga uko abana bakupasinga umpira warebera ha timu zombiri ogirwa nako kuja ngone konsire chebembireho okano ko kureba Pizza imizanire yabo nuko abana bakupakinga umpira nuko abana bakubigoringa
gasha kwa Aloysius Byamukama.
Bari Aloysius Byamukama wanakusia makoraga na Mbabazi Charity na Sunday Brand tunda kwendeza okurara kurunji agandi gategereze nyenchakare.
Eshaha zabisha tuzekiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks Kubei Dondoro. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
Bana Uganda mwena mwebale kusima bachogela Hub Products olw'okufufugaza endwadde z'ensusu zonna tonyereza bato n'abakulu era basimye empereza yaffe tuleese bipya ku katale.
Leka ekirooto ky'omwana wawe okukola omubyenyonyi kikiirire na Uganda Aviation Academy twamibwe ayata na UCAA.